Alright, we have my 205 transmission. I'm going to try and take this apart one-handed. As you can see, there's the front diff, and the ring gear's on the housing. So here's the front diff right here. The other side gear of the front diff. It's like the oil shim, or whatever it is. The only adjustment there is. You have the cone. You can see it's like for pressure. And another. So that's the side gear of the front diff, and that goes into this housing. And the ring gear's on there. You have to pound it off. There you go. And it just spins inside that housing. Then we have speedo gear. And here's the center diff. Oops. Let me switch hands here. I just have it held together by this one bolt. There's obviously 15 bolts. See if I can do this gracefully one-handed. Maybe I'll have to put it down or something for a second. Oh, whatever. Keep going with it. So, here's half of the housing. And then each spider gear has that and shim on the back side. But there's only one part number for the shims for Toyota, so it's not like there's an adjustment. Whoops. Put them all on. There's one more gear, so. Where's that flight? Oh, here it is. I didn't see it in there. So then those are the 5 spiders you can see. They're sitting here. And there's another spot. So in order to change your speedo gear, you have to come this far, and you can see they have 3 tabs. The 3 tabs sit where those pins are. Then this goes out, connects to the viscous coupling unit and into the transfer case. Then you have one cone gear and oil gear. I don't even know what that is exactly. And that's it.